Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Asana workflow for LinkedIn outreach, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Asana workflow for LinkedIn outreach, start by logging into your Asana account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Asana website. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you'd like to create the workflow. Click on the Projects tab from the sidebar. Select New Project to begin setting up your workflow. Choose Use a template to access pre-designed projects. Search for LinkedIn Outreach in the template options. Once you find the template, click on it to preview its features. Review the tasks and sections included in the template. If it meets your needs, click on Use Template to import it into your workspace. Customize the project name to reflect your specific outreach goals. Next, assign team members to the project if you are collaborating with others. Edit the tasks within the project to tailor them to your outreach strategy. You can also add tags to categorize tasks based on priority or status. After customizing, return to the project dashboard. Utilize the calendar view to visualize your outreach timeline. For better tracking, enable task dependencies where necessary. Consider setting up recurring tasks for ongoing outreach efforts. To stay organized, create sections for different stages of your outreach. Now, integrate Asana with LinkedIn using third-party tools like Zapier. In Zapier, set up a flow that connects LinkedIn to Asana. This will automate the process of creating new tasks from LinkedIn Actions. Test the integration to ensure that tasks are created correctly. Once everything is set up, start your outreach directly through the Asana tasks. Monitor progress using Asana's reporting features as you embark on your outreach campaign. Stay flexible and adjust your workflow based on the results you observe. With your Asana workflow now in place, you're ready to effectively manage your LinkedIn outreach efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.